In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then tap on this little icon of a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner. Finally, you can click on Audio and Videos filters at the top of Recent Files section. Then hold the chosen ones and click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, both of my files were successfully added. You can also click on the same icon, tap on one of those apps and select your files from it. Or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select the best source for you, like audio. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!